Welcome to the latest episode of Tiny Mike, where we highlight town departments and happenings. Today we're at the beautiful Inlet Village to talk about the CRA. The Community Redevelopment Agency is an area of town that makes us truly uniquely Jupiter. We're now looking to our residents to help us plan for the future of this area by participating in a public input workshop on March 13th at Town Hall starting at 6:30 p.m. Let's go talk to Marty from Planning and Zoning to find out more about this workshop. So Marty, what is the town CRA?
Yeah, so the CRA is the Community Redevelopment Agency, and the town CRA runs along the US 1 corridor and includes the Inlet Village, which is where we're standing today.
And what is a landmark of the area that people will recognize but may not know is within the CRA boundary?
Yeah, so one of the jewels of the CRA is the Riverwalk, which is we're standing on right now, and it runs along the shore of the Inlet Village, and it also runs along the Intercoastal.
So we're now looking ahead and we're trying to plan for the future of the CRA, and we're looking for public input. So we're having a workshop next Wednesday, March 13th at 6:30 in Town Council Chambers. What can the public who's coming to that or wants to participate expect, and what kind of input are we looking for?
Yeah, so we'll have a facilitator there, and she will run through some of the background of the CRA and what's been successful and what are some of the challenges. And then we'll open it up to the public, and the public can participate at the meeting. And then also it'll be available by live feed on the town's website, and you can also type in questions that way.
So if they can't watch it live and they can't come to the input meeting, is there a way that they can give input to town staff?
Yes, you can just contact the Planning and Zoning Department and by email.
And now that we're asking the public to give input, when can they see this plan come to fruition, or even just view it and maybe have comments back on what was presented?
Yeah, so after this, there'll be a series of meetings with the CRA board, and there will be public hearings where we'll take additional public input. After those, then the plan will be pulled together and should be available sometime this summer.
For more information on Jupiter's Community Redevelopment Agency, as well as the CRA Public Input Workshop, visit jupiter.fl.us/CRA, and make sure to tune in for our next episode of Tiny Mike.